All right, we're doing a room tour today of the King one-bedroom suite at the Park Marriott Vancouver. Really nice room. One-bedroom suite. You got the first TVs right here with your coffee maker. Really nice coffee machine too with some high-end coffee. Give you lots of bottled water. Park also has a casino inside of it. Nice couch here with a table in the living space. And then you get a beautiful view of downtown Vancouver with False Creek in the background. Really nice view, especially at fall, winter time with the leaves changing. And then let's go over to the bathroom. Bathroom is really nice, as you can see. This is a newer property as well. You got a shower here, and then you got the large soaking tub as well, which is always nice. We'll go to the bedroom suite. Really nice as well, has its own TV. Nice closet area with lots of space in it. You even get an umbrella, which is really handy in Vancouver as it rains all the time. Also looks like some extra bed covers if you want them. And then you have another view of the city as well from this angle. Really nice view. Typical Vancouver fall day as well. Bed is really comfy. Really nice. Can't complain. Got this room for free with my Marriott rewards. Really good.